So behind me you can see that we're putting in some brand new parking spaces. You may be wondering exactly what size you're going to put yours in at as well. Now, this one is arguably an overmark, so these parking bays are 2.4 meters by 4.6 meters wide, and that is a fairly standard layout. However, we also find that it's a little bit too tight some places, especially as cars are getting bigger and bigger. We do find that quite a tight space. So our recommended size, if you use 2.4 and 4.6 as your sort of base, if you like, we'd typically recommend going up to around 5 meters and 4.6 meters wide. You'll find that getting cars in and out that way, it just fits an awful lot better. The other key consideration you need to work out is the gap between parking bays. So typically when we're installing bays that are sort of parallel to each other, like you can see here, you need a 6-meter gap in between them. So from the end of the parking bays we've got this side to the bay over here where you're going to have cars pulling in and out, whether they're going to be reversing in or going sort of nose first in, you need that good 6-meter gap in between them in order to have enough room to maneuver your vehicle in and out of. So in a nutshell, that's essentially the sizes you want for your parking bays: 2.4 wide, 4.6 long. Ideally though, we'd like to increase that to around 5 meters in length, and 2.6 meters to 2.8 meters say would be just perfect to get those larger vehicles in.